So single set, and not a single tile had to be cut.
Installing a shower floor with pebble tiles and a linear drain. You'll want to watch this, see how it's done the easy way.
Okay, so I'm installing the shower, and right now I'm gonna do this shower floor, which has this linear drain here. So what I'm doing is I got these pebble tiles, pebble tile floor that we're gonna install, but because there's so many lines and stuff like that, I'm just peeling them off and I'm gonna single set them. It just, instead of trying to cut them around the perimeter, because I have to cut that line, I have to cut that line, this line, and then in between here, and I think it just looks better if they're full pebbles. So I'm gonna single set all these tiles, and first I'm gonna set the drain, then I am going to single set each one of these pebble tiles one at a time. That's what I'm going to do now. I'm just going to continue peeling these tiles off these sheets and throw them in this box, and then once I get a decent amount, I'm going to start setting these pebbles. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is adjust the height of this drain. So I want the drain to be just slightly below this tile here on both sides. I already adjusted it, so you just do that by just twisting, turning these things. You turn it down, it's going to raise it. Turn it counterclockwise, it's going to lower it. I want it to be slightly below, so just like that on both sides, just like that. Check it all the way across. That's good. That's good. 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 So now I'm gonna mix some thinset. I'm gonna spread the thinset over here behind on this side here, behind the drain. So I'm not gonna be able to get in there. So I'm gonna spread this thinset all the way around here. I'm gonna fill the bottom of this and set it in place. And then I'm going to start setting my tiles from here, from this way, and I'm going to go back towards the back of the shower. Okay, so get this out of the way now, like this up.
Okay, so I didn't show it in the video, but I'm using a 1/4 inch square notch trowel. These pebble tiles are pretty thick, so the 1/4 inch square notch trowel works pretty well. You just want to make sure you don't leave any lumps in the thinset when you're spreading it, so you don't get too much ooze. You don't really want to use a smaller trowel because you need to have enough thinset on these pebbles to hold them in place. So a 1/4 inch square notch trowel works pretty good. The thinset I'm using is all set. So as always, leave your comments in the comment section. I do try to answer or respond to as many as possible. I sometimes can't get to them all, but I do try. Also, check the description. Lots of links in the description to tools that I use at my Amazon store and a bunch of other useful stuff, and also the end screens and the cards. Most important of all, don't forget to subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell and give me a thumbs up. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope you found this video useful.
Okay, so now let's start setting some tiles over here. Okay, so I got all that back part in over there, and it was kind of tough because it's narrow and you got to fit them in. Now I'm gonna do this, start this area over here, and just gonna put them in one at a time. First I'm gonna spread some thinset, and then just go along. Just stick them in one at a time. That'll make sense. Make some more thinset. Okay, so I've just got a little bit left. Okay, so that's it. The floor is all installed, the shower floor. It's all single set, and not a single tile had to be cut.